Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Okay, so this is the aftermath, you guys. I did a live and I styled up this beautiful peppermint twist themed tree here, and after I got done, I was out of it. So we had pizza for dinner, and this is the end result. I'm gonna show you guys the good, the bad, and the ugly. So I have decor over here, I've got decor over there, just here, there, and everywhere. The tub from everything is still there. Playing around with the hot cocoa bar over here, so I kind of keep that incognito right now. Just everything is everywhere. So let's get this space yeah, let's get it. So let me pan around and show you guys the areas we're going to focus on. Like you saw me do this in a collaboration, so we'll style that. We'll work on just cleaning up mainly, but just kind of bringing a little bit more of this theme into the actual space. So let's get cracked. Okay guys, before styling up any space, I must start with a clean slate. Being that I'm a creature of habit, my strategy doesn't change. I set up my tablets here, prepare to watch some of my favorite YouTube sisters and brothers. Then I start with my dishes. Preparing the dishwater. Let's get this place whipped into shape so we can get to the fun part, which is to decorate. You guys, I went live for the first time on my YouTube channel and I styled up this peppermint twist Christmas tree, and I have Miss Fancy on top. She is sitting center stage. This was so much fun, and you guys seem to really enjoy this tree. I think it's so fun and whimsical, and I want to bring again that vibe into the entire space. I just love it. It's so fun and exciting. My nephews came over to see it and they were just thrilled. So that was like mission accomplished. It's very whimsical and very fitting for children. So I am just loving decking my halls this year. It has been so much fun because I'm bringing in a lot of new designs and a lot of new color schemes that I have never used before. So this being one of them, but I promise you this will be a staple. I'm loving the peppermint. It's so classic and true to the Christmas holiday, and the blue is true to your girl, as you can tell from the Keurig to the bowls to the dishwashing detergent, even my shirt. Your girl loves blue, so I am whipping this kitchen into shape because I'm anxious to get that peppermint twist vibe flowing throughout the entire room. Okay, here you guys, I am cleaning up and prepping some of my favorite design pieces, which are my apothecary jars. You have seen me style with these in so many ways, and there are a million more ways to do so. So here I am just cleaning them up, and you'll see me style with them later in the video. But I just wanted to share, if you don't have a set of apothecary jars in your design arsenal, please consider getting some. You can just do so very much with them, from doing candy bars, having little treats for the kiddos, even for the hubby and yourself, just putting decor pieces in there, creating vignettes inside. These pieces are so versatile. I've had them, I believe I started building my collection like in 2013, and they have been probably the most used decor pieces in my home because they are so very versatile. Correction, I started in 2012. I initially purchased them for candy dishes for an event, and as an event planner, they have definitely served me well. I got them all, you guys, from Michael's at 50% off. So just build your collection over time, and I promise you, you'll be glad you did. That's complete. Let's move on to the other side of the kitchen. I am a creature of habit, you guys. I'm going to wipe down, and wipe down again with my bleach water. I just feel like it kills every germ known to man. So I just have to clean with bleach. I'm just that type of girl. But once I get everything wiped down, it ensures that everything is safe and germ free, and I can decorate with ease. So we're almost at the finish line, you guys. And I'm so anxious. As you can see, I've kind of started playing around with a few pieces here and there as I've been cleaning and sorting things, just trying to get a feel for how I want things to look. But we'll do the final designing together. You guys, here I am just replacing the burners in these stoves. I have to admit, I am so not a fan of this type of stove, but they came with the house, and one thing I was not about to upgrade was a new stove. So I've just had to deal with the hassle of changing those out because I cannot stand for them to get stained. But luckily, the little burners are very inexpensive. I picked them up at Walmart. So probably every season or so, I'll just change them out just to give me that fresh, clean look. So here I am scrubbing them all out, getting the stove nice and clean. And the broom means we are at the finish line. So here I am, you guys, just finishing up, sweeping up all of the debris from my styling. I have my tree elevated on a base of a foot pedestal just to give a little bit of height and drama, and we will camouflage that later on. You will see. So now that the work is done, the fun can begin. Are you ready? Let's go. So here, you guys, I picked up these towels. The reds are from Dollar Tree, and then the blues are from Home Goods. And I'm not going to be using the snowman side. I purchased them to use the polka dot. I like the blue, the teal, and white polka dot, so I figured it would pair well with a pop of red. So here I am just styling up the stove area with the towels. I like to use 3 on the stove. I always do. I don't know why, but I just like that look. Really crisp and clean. Just kind of playing around if I want to do a little bow on there. I don't know yet, but let's see. Over here, I think I'm going to do the opposite. I'll lay the red on first and then accent with the blue. I like styling my KitchenAid mixer. My husband says it's the most expensive decor piece in the house because I have never used it, you guys, to cook with. I have the handheld blender, so I use that most of the time, but I just think it's so cute. And it can style it really nicely, so maybe he's right. Let's continue on. Just playing around, getting it just so. This part, you guys, is where you bring your personality into your space. I love this little gift box. I purchased it a couple of seasons ago. I believe I got it from either Michael's or Hobby Lobby. Don't quote me on that, but that's when that blue and red was really, really popular. It's popular now, but it was like really prominent back then. And these stackable 10 boxes, you guys, I got them from Hobby Lobby at 50% off just the other day. Those cute little peppermint trees, I got them from Walmart. They're ornaments, but I thought they looked cute just styled up like that. So here I am, you guys, playing around with that bow styling again. For some reason, I just have in my mind to just do little bows on everything. You'll see that later, but I'm just playing around, trying to figure things out. This is the fun part, just doing what you feel, seeing if it speaks to you in any way. If it doesn't, you just remove it. It's decorating, it's not rocket science. I think it's kind of cute. What do you think? And now, the infamous Apothecary jars. You guys, you have seen me style these literally every season. From the spring summer season with eggs, then I had beautiful fruit in it for summer, then I had pumpkins in it for the fall, and now I'm doing ornaments for Christmas. I mean, literally, I have styled with these Apothecary jars for every season, using items that I already had in my home. So it's a very inexpensive way to bring in a color or theme into your space. If you didn't want to use ornaments or anything like that, you could definitely pull in foods that are in the color scheme of your design and have it functional and pretty. So I absolutely love this idea of the Apothecary jars. They are definitely a staple in my decor. Now, you guys, I want you to stick around. This is just the beginning of my Deck the Hall series. I have so many more rooms to share with you, so many more inexpensive decor ideas, so you don't want to miss them. If you have not already, hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, welcome to TMB Designs. I hope you hit the subscribe button and join the TMB family, and be the first to know when I upload new content. To my tried and true, I want you to know that I love and so appreciate you. The channel would not be what it is without your continued love and support. So please like, comment, and share on this video as well as others. So here, you guys, I'm going to play around with some placemats. I absolutely love that Holly Jolly Avenue sign. I got that from Michael's a couple of seasons ago after Christmas. And I'm going to here create just some whimsical wall decor to tie in with the theme of the tree. Now, I'm giving you guys a sneak peek, but the finale will come on Friday. So you've got to come back and see how all of the finishing touches look once they've been added, from the fabulous cocoa bar to the wall decor and so much more. If you're seeing what you like and you like what you see, please come back on Friday and be a part of the TMB family. Smooches.